Hi everyone, welcome back to Explore Error. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the problem where the backup and restore page appears blank or does not work on Windows 11, Windows 10, Windows 8, and Windows 7. Let's begin. First, go to the search bar and type CMD. When Command Prompt shows up, right-click on it and select Run as Administrator. If a user account control message appears, just click Yes to continue. Now, in the command prompt window, type the command sfc/scan now and then press Enter. This will start the system file scan. The scan usually takes about 5 to 15 minutes, so please wait and do not close the command prompt while it is running. After the scan is complete, restart your computer and then check if the issue is resolved. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Explore Error for more simple and useful tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.